welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my sister Ayala and my brother Yehuda, and they're going to be our special guests today. We are going to make chocolate chip mug cakes. I absolutely adore these. So let's get started. I'm already craving one.
One eternity later.
Hey, we're back and we have the finished result. They are so good. Oh my god, guys, tell them how good it is.
Yeah, it's
Great. Perfect.
so
Perfect.
it's perfect.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.